To our top story now, experts have warned that Malawi will continue experiencing effects of climate change, hence the need for the country to adopt resilience programs. India-based hydrological, weather and climate change expert Uttam Singh says although Malawi has made improvements on the dissemination of hydro-meteorological information over the years, there is need for the country to encourage citizens to fully utilize such information.
They are doing really important job in terms of developing the meteorological services and the hydrological services.
No one can run away from the climate change because it will day by day it will increase. But the main thing how to cope up with this, we have to live up with this climate change. Okay, the best way to live up with this climate change is to adapt with the situation. Okay, so how to adapt with the situation? Like based on the information and the product, the two premium institutions of Malawi like DCCMS and DWR, they are producing. They are doing a fantastic job. It's a matter of only utilizing their information in a better way. To adapt, to manage their operational activity as per the weather and climatic conditions. Till now, what is happening? This information is and the WR they are producing. They are doing a fantastic job. It's a matter of only utilizing their information in a better way. To adapt, to manage their operational activity as per the weather and climatic conditions. Till now, what is happening? This information is being utilized, at the city level or at the literate people. But this is not enough to cope up with the climate change. So climate change, and that's why the media will act as the pillar, to disseminate this information to the end user level. See, there is enough information available, which is being produced by the DCCMS and the DLO. It's a matter of only dissemination in a customized way, sector-specific way, like same information, like rainfall. Rainfall, the utilization is different by the agriculture sector, its usage is different by the transport sector. So how to customize this information, the same information as per the sector-specific, where media, person will play a very critical role to provide this information in such a way so that they can utilize in their operational activity and manage the climate change.